Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Remember, this is just my personal experience with the tool, so your mileage may vary. Today, we're taking a look at Syncplicity by Axway, a secure enterprise file sync and share solution. You can think of it as a robust alternative to consumer-grade services like Dropbox or Google Drive, but designed specifically for the needs of businesses. Syncplicity offers a range of features geared towards enhanced security, control, and compliance. Think granular access permissions, data encryption both in transit and at rest, and detailed audit trails. These are critical for organizations dealing with sensitive information and needing to meet stringent regulatory requirements. A key advantage of Syncplicity is its flexibility in deployment. You can choose to host it in the cloud, on-premises, or even in a hybrid environment, giving you the power to tailor the solution to your specific infrastructure and security policies. This is a major plus for companies with strict data residency requirements or those operating in highly regulated industries. Furthermore, Syncplicity boasts strong mobile capabilities, allowing employees to securely access and collaborate on files from any device, anywhere. This promotes productivity and enables seamless teamwork, even when team members are dispersed geographically. The platform also integrates with various other enterprise applications, streamlining workflows and enhancing overall efficiency. While Syncplicity offers a powerful feature set, it's worth noting that the user interface can sometimes feel a bit complex, particularly for users unfamiliar with enterprise-grade file-sharing platforms. However, with a little exploration and practice, it becomes quite intuitive. If you're looking for a secure and robust file-sharing solution for your business, Syncplicity is definitely worth considering. Be sure to check out their website for more detailed information and to request a demo. The link, as always, is in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.